Well, hello once again on this beautiful 7 a.m. morning. No sun at the moment, it's nice and cool. Give it another hour or two and it'll be 30-40 degrees. This is part 2 of my film Corfu, Roda 2025. At the beginning there's live music by Tony in the Thorn Tree, and at the end is live music again in Oscars by one of the best acts I've seen. I'll leave you to see it. Do watch it to the end, or at least wind to the end to see the Oscars act, because it's really, really good. Anyway, I really appreciate you watching my videos. Few and far between though they are, and hope you'll continue to do so as long as I can make them. I've got pussies here again around me, plus a load of wasps, which I'm not very happy about. I've got 2 playing on the floor. Come on, get out of it. And, ooh, you dirty bugger. Just sneezed all over me. Come on, off you go. That's better. Now, this film shows Roda. I'm going out this evening, or Sunday evening maybe, to film Akaravi, and then I'll do Sudari. Now this far is the Thorn Tree, gentlemen, and you can get genuine haggis here and Scottish slices. There's a lot of the expats use it, locals.
Hello.
Evening.
So we're in the Thorn Tree. We've got live music tonight with Tony, most Sunday nights. That's Tony over there.
Good evening.
You're a gentleman, sir. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Something I want
local church. Nice tourist shop, this one. Bit of everything. Which is up there. Seaport makes the best pizza in town, I reckon. And that's Alexander's, which is also a nice restaurant. But I highly recommend the Seaport, which is this one. The Harbour Bar at the end of the strip. I don't know an awful lot about it because I haven't been in there. Good holiday?
Yeah.
We're in a good restaurant anyway. This one and the Seaport, the best along here.
Yes, we're beating the Seaport. Yeah.
Yes, it's nice to see you over here anyway. Come and see us again.
Yeah.
We certainly will.
What's your name again?
Frank and Doreen.
Frank and Doreen.
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 With an N.
Donnie.
Doreen.
Doreen. I get her in the end. I've only filmed bars and restaurants that I know are good. If I haven't filmed a particular restaurant, I don't say nothing about it. If I can't say nothing good, I don't say nothing at all. And this is Paris, and I'm not saying nothing at all. I've never seen this restaurant before. It looks very nice and cosy, it looks very nice. Not busy, but I think that's normal. The sun's gone down, leaving a beautiful sky. What a colour. And here we've got loads of new tourist shops, jewellers, and out tourist shops, you name it. It's all new. Cost a fortune, the places do. And this is the Aurelius restaurant, just down from Oscar's, where I'm now going for a quick drink and to see the live music. They always have good acts in Oscar's.
That's Roll Like It. Welcome to the show. Now tonight isn't just a Shania Twain tribute, as you will have realized in this last song. We're going to be celebrating all country music by famous female country music stars. So think Patsy Cline, Tammy Wynette, Beyonce. Who would have thought? We're going to have everything in this show. And all I want to say to you is this. We're in Oscar's Bar. It's my favorite venue to perform in, ladies and gentlemen. We have a few rules. One, you've got to sing. Are you going to sing with me tonight? Are you going to dance with me tonight? 2 people. We start with 2 and then it becomes 200. Trust me. And finally, there is one thing that I want you to do tonight. I want you to have the most fun. I want you to heckle me. I want you to shout. I want you to scream. I want you to go wild, ladies and gentlemen. Can you do that for me? That's what I like it. But there is one thing I do not want you to do. Jolly, jolly, just because you care. I'd like to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you and whatever you decide to do. Jolly, you could have your choice of it, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolly. As loud as you can, come on this side. Jolly, Jolly. Come back now, please don't take my bed. This side. Jolly, Jolly, Jolly. Please don't take it just because you can. Jolly.
Cheers.